Circle, square, and triangle too. Drawing shapes is fun to do. Tony smiles with marker bright, learning every shape just right. Come and draw them too. Round and round the circle goes, nice and smooth from head to toes. Tony draws it carefully, happy as a child can be. Everyone now knows. Triangle has 3 straight sides, learning fun it always brings. Tony draws each line with care, making shapes beyond compare. Joyful song he sings. Square has corners 1, 2, 3, 4. Tony always wants to learn more. Drawing lines both straight and neat, every picture looks complete. Learning we adore. Stars are shining in the sky, Tony draws them way up high. 5 bright points begin to glow, making happy, happy faces shooting by. Heart is full of love and care, kindness follows everywhere. Tony colors pink and red, happy thoughts fill every head. Joy is in the air. Diamond shines so bright today, Tony draws it right away. 4 neat sides look nice and clear, drawing time is full of cheer. Hip, hip, hooray! Oval moon and smiling sky, clouds are slowly drifting by. Tony colors every line, making artwork simply shine. Dreams begin to fly. Square and triangle make a house, circle makes a tiny mouse. Tony builds with every shape, creative minds can all escape. Learning all about. Tony is an artist bright, drawing shapes with great delight. Practice every single day, learning through creative play. Every through creative